Why aren't you moving?
Okay, I'll move. Just look at your feet and just lean forward.
Maybe bend your knees a little bit more. Oh, squat a little bit more so your center of gravity's better there.
Whoa!